All right, everybody, hello and welcome to part 4 of this moto tour here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playa Tambor. This video is by request. Got a comment asking if I could check it out and film it, and it fit into my travel plan, so yes, absolutely. And hey, look, there's a plane landing over there. Where is it? That's pretty cool. So guys, before we start checking out the beach, let's talk about how to get here. Going to Playa Tambor and starting your vacation at the Liberia International Airport right there. You can grab your rental car or airport transfer or whatever your mode of transportation is. You're going to head south down through these roads. You go through Santa Cruz. You go through Nicoya. We have a video in Nicoya before, so leave a comment if you want to see that. And then you're going to head out here through the Eastern Pass, down, and then you'll arrive at Playa Tambor. But if you're starting your vacation in San Jose right there at the International Airport, you'll head west out towards the coast and you'll go through El Robel. Now, right here in Puntarenas is where the ferry is. But if you decide not to take the ferry, you head north on Highway 1 here and you get to this town Limonal, where you turn west again and you end up going across the Puente La Amistad right there. We have a video there as well. If you want to see that, leave me a comment. And then it's the same route as though you are coming from Liberia, out around the coast, and then you're at Playa Tambor. So those are some of the ways that you can reach Playa Tambor for your vacation if you're planning on coming here. Now for us, yesterday we started in Puntarenas and I took the ferry across to Paquera, a small town called Paquera, very nice. And I continued about 20 kilometers along some really nice roads, actually some winding, hilly roads, very well paved. I went by an airport just as a plane was landing. It was pretty cool. And then we arrived here. So there's a lot of stuff going on down here, it seems. There's some construction going on down by the beach. I can see why. I've never been to this beach before, but it's very calm. It's very calm water, it looks like. And just so you know where we are, this is a bahia. I think it's called Ballina. And then straight across, like if you go straight out that way, I think we're actually looking at like Jaco and Puntarenas, the remainder of Puntarenas down there. So that's pretty cool. And you know, you can see it. I'll zoom in there so you can see it. All the mountains there. I'm pretty sure that's like the mountains of Puntarenas. Now, I just arrived here. I had still stuck in my throat, my lunch at Gitanes. Is that what this is called? Gitanes. Gitanos. There's a restaurant right there called Gitanos. I had chicken and rice. It was pretty good. Pretty delicious. Pretty good value. I think I paid like 16 bucks for a massive plate of chicken and rice and a coffee. So that's not bad. Where's the BC Moto? Yeah, there's our friend. That's the mode of transportation to get around here on this tour. Now this beach, I've been hanging out here for a bit. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet. We're here on a weekend, so this is a weekend crowd, it seems. Not too busy. And there's not a lot of shade on this beach, I notice. There's some trees here and there, but not too much. That's probably why everybody's up here by the restaurants. It's pretty cool, pretty sparse though. Now the road, we'll go up there in a second. We'll go check that out. That's where there's not like a town here per se, a pueblo. The nearest towns, if you're coming here, are Paquera. It had a Maxi Pally and a Mega Super grocery store and banks and stuff like that. And then I just talked to the guy at the restaurant there. He said Santa Teresa is actually bigger. So I haven't been to Santa Teresa yet, so it's going to be the first time going there. And that airport is down there somewhere where that plane landed. I should draw. Oh, there's another plane coming in. Wow. Can we see it? Can I get it on the shot? I don't know if it should be on there. It's a tiny plane though. So the plane that landed in that video that I captured looked like one of the Sansa planes, like maybe 12, 13 people. I don't know what that plane is. That looks even smaller. So it seems as though people, to get down here, they do the airport, and there's a really big development going in there too. So here's the beach, guys. So you can see there's like this this area here that has, you know, sticks and stuff washed up, but the beach otherwise has areas that are clear. Oh, there's the airport, I guess. right there between the trees. So it's not even that far off. Nice. I dig it. Now it seems like over this way, right there in the center of the frame is the, there's maybe a little marina there. Or at least like some, I don't know if you'd call that a marina or just like it's more sheltered over there for the boats. Let's do a water test though. Let's do a live water test. We gotta see how the water feels. And guys, as we're walking, I'll show you these water shoes. These are so clutch. I love these shoes because you can go right in the water with them. Walk over all the sand and all the hot sand and all these sticks and everything, get right in the water, and then they dry off pretty quick. So the link is in the description below for these shoes. Now, how's this water? So I can see people out there probably about 30 meters. Looks about waist deep right now. I'm gonna estimate that it's low tide. The water seems to be different in terms of clarity, right? So right here, it just happens to be kind of murky. There's a plane taking off. But down there it looked clear, and down further yonder it looked kind of clear too. So lots of sticks and twigs getting washed up. The water's not actually too cold. It's not too bad. You can see it's kind of murky right here, and all these little sticks and everything are in there. There's the beach. So it looks like something's going in up there. Maybe looks like a house is already there, perhaps. There's something up there too on the hill. That's nice. And then the hills above there. So driving in, you drive through all those hills and it's pretty cool. It's like winding roads. Lots to see. Excellent. So maybe we'll go back up. We'll drive the moto back up to the top of town there and just take a peekaboo, take a gander at what it looks like. I think there's a road that kind of goes all the way along there too. So if you wanted to go down that way, you could do that. And there it is, guys, Playa Tambor. Actually, the name of the ferry was Tambor as well. There's a nice big catamaran right there. So I don't know much about this area, you know, like I don't know if it's a lot of tourism here. Seemed like the infrastructure was in place, right? The road was so good. I was not knowing what to expect on the road in, but it was super good quality. What you saw in the video there was pretty much the entire route. It was in very good order and condition. So perhaps they're planning for investment in this area or something like that. It looks like over here maybe there's some accommodations options. That's cool. So let's go get on the BC Moto and head back up to the top of town. So it looks like that road goes further down that way. There's a little store right there, a little convenience store. All right, now here we are back up at the main road. There it says, there's the sign you look for, Playa Tambor. Heads right down the road there. And then there's some signs for the stuff there. There's pizza, souvenir, cabinas and restaurant, and then Udano's where I just ate. That was pretty good. Now we're going to be continuing on this way. I don't know what to expect. We'll see how it goes on the road into Santa Teresa. This is where we came from Paquera, and the ferry. So I hope you guys enjoyed that fourth stop here on the moto tour of Costa Rica. It's number 4. Guys, check the channel for the other ones. Be sure to, as always, Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if there's any places you want me to hit. I'm heading up the coast. So we'll see how it goes. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit the bell notification. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you at the next stop. Bye now.